Here with Coach Drew Burwash as the Blue Raiders advance in the national tournament with a 6-0 win over Asbury today. And Coach, a solid effort today by your ladies, I assume. Let's get your take on it.
No, I think it was it was a good performance for us today. I think there were times we were really good, and when we were really good, we ended up scoring some goals. So it's a process that we've got to continue to strive to get better, each and every day. And today was a day where we had the majority of the possession, and when we played quickly, good things happened for us. And when we slowed things down and let them readjust and get in their defensive spots, then it is a lot more difficult. But overall, good performance this time of year is, survive and move on. And we did a little bit more than that today, but overall, good effort from our team.
In games like this, where you're clearly the better side, it's always good to get that early goal. And you scored 11 minutes into the game. That's always got to settle the nerves a bit.
Early goals are always good in any kind of game you play. The more we can get, the better it is for us. But no, I think we were controlling the play, and the opportunity presented itself, and we took advantage of it. Their team worked hard today. They're not an easy team to break down, and they made us. We had to be really good in order to break their team down. So fortunately, there were 6 times that we were able to do that today.
You head now down to Orange Beach, a place where you had great success last season, bringing home the 3rd national title. Obviously, you're excited about getting back to that point this time of the season.
Yeah. Our focus quickly moves to Graceland or Olivet Nazarene. We'll play one of those 2 teams, and it's one game at a time, one game season at this point in time. If you win, you move on, and if you don't, you go home. So but our girls are excited. They're excited to accept the challenge again this year, and as I look at the field, I think we're as deep as we've been in several years. So. Very excited for our team, very excited to, for our school and our administration, and, it's a great opportunity for us.
Sometimes defending the national title is almost as hard as winning one, and while this is a completely different team than last season's, do you see some similarities going down to Orange Beach from this team than last year's team?
Well, we try not to think about defending a title. We're trying to go out there and do as well as we possibly can. That's what we've talked about from day one is, our concentration is within our group. And, if we perform well, then good things tend to happen for us. So, I don't know the answer to the question, but I know they're excited to still be playing. And, when they're excited, that brings out our best football.
Coach, congratulations on the win.
Thank you very much.